The microbit can easily communicate with other microbits using radio at the 2.4 GHz range. Radio is at the low end of the electromagnetic spectrum. Radio waves are about the size of a building. This diagram shows frequencies used by TV and FM radio. The microbit's frequency lies just above it in the UHF range. We'll be setting up one microbit as a remote control, and another will eventually become our robot. Let's start with a remote. Set up the accelerometer for the x-axis so we can transmit it to the other microbit. Then we'll set the radio group to 33. It can be any number between 1 and 100. This will set the frequency to a value between 2.4 and 2.4999 GHz behind the scenes. We use the radio send block to send the value across the radio waves. So if we have the microbit tilted at, say, 25 to the right, it will send x equals 25. Next, set up the microbit that will become our robot. Set up the radio to use the same group as the remote, in my case 33. Use an if-then block to see if the first value in the x equals 25 that we sent is x. This is because we'll also be sending the y-axis later. If it's x, then we'll be setting the variable x to the value being sent. So at this point, x equals 25. Download the program and upload that to the robot microbit. As you tilt the remote microbit, the number appears on the robot microbit. The next step will be getting our robot running.